12 side hustles you can easily do from home. Looking to make some extra money, but you don't want to leave home to do it? There's an ever-increasing number of ways to make money online, and in this video, we'll show you 12 ways to make some extra cash. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified of our new videos out every Thursday. So let's get going. 1. Transcribing. If you're a good listener and can type quickly, you can make some decent extra money as a transcriptionist. Transcription jobs can pay between $15 and $25 an hour. You can look for transcribing jobs on sites including TranscribeMe, Rev, Tigerfish, QuickTal, and Transcribe Anywhere. 2. Be a virtual assistant. This could range from managing someone's schedule to doing research and miscellaneous paperwork to booking hotels and accommodation and flights for MDs or other busy people. In some cases, this could pay as much as $60 an hour. Try searching on these sites. Another option is to reach out to business owners directly through email and social media and offer your services. 3. Selling your unused stuff. Do you have a garage or attic full of stuff? You could try selling these online and it could make you some serious cash. For clothing and accessories, there's a smartphone app called Poshmark and a website called Declutter, or of course eBay. You could sell your own cell phones, books, CDs and more. You could also look at Facebook's marketplace. If you haven't got a load of old gear, you could have a look at thrift shops or second-hand shops to buy things to then sell on. You'd be amazed at what people give away nowadays. 4. Proofreading. If you're a relatively fast reader and you have a knack for spotting spelling and grammar mistakes, you could make as much as $17 an hour as a freelance proofreader. You could find proofreading jobs on freelancing sites such as Upworks, Fiverr and Freelancer. 5. Freelance writing. If you have decent writing skills, freelance writing can be a great way to make some extra money. To get started, why not choose a niche you have some expertise in? It's also a good idea to have a professional looking website and an updated LinkedIn profile. Then you can send out pitches to various publications and companies, depending on what you want to write about. Or you could search for gigs on freelancing sites such as Upworks. 6. Teaching English. If you have a degree and a few hours a week to spare, you could teach English as a second language online to kids or adults. There are loads of platforms where you can do this. Just do a search in Google for Teaching English Online. Most require a degree and so many hours of commitment every week, but there are others where, if you pass a test, you could start teaching, even if you don't have the necessary qualifications. Online tutoring companies include these. Selling your craft and artwork. Do you knit or sew? Do you make pottery or paint? Your craft hobby could be a potential lucrative income. You can open up a virtual shop on Etsy and even sell your wares on Instagram. 8. Take online surveys. Now we know this isn't the most well-paying side gig, but it could be a good option if you have some time and want to expend a very minimal effort. The Swagbag mobile app is one of the few best paid survey apps. The questions are simple and you can usually earn about $5 for half an hour's work. 9. Blogging. If you're looking for quick cash, this might not be your best option. But if you want to put in the time and offer value to your readers, blogging can actually be very profitable. As we said, it will take time, but with commitment, it's pretty easy to make an extra $500 to $2,000 a month blogging within the first year. 10. Graphic design. Graphic design is one of the most in-demand skills in today's visual-based culture. If you have graphic design skills, why not make some extra money on the side? There are many uses for graphic design, including you could work with a range of groups from non-profit to small business owners, bloggers to entrepreneurs. All this could be done at home, in your own time, and if you have the right tools. If you are competent with Photoshop or InDesign, then why not use these skills to make some extra cash? Check out Fiverr, Upworks and Freelancer again. 11. Run Facebook ads for small businesses. This is one of the best side hustles from home because it really hits all the marks about working from home and making money. Besides finding and meeting with clients, which in some cases does happen online, you can run Facebook ads from your bed with a cup of coffee or wherever you have internet access. Clients could be worth as much as $1,000 a month. Aim for small businesses that don't have huge marketing teams and they also have a lack of time it takes to learn how to run effective ad strategy on Facebook. Make sure you're competent and maybe even give away the first couple free to build up your portfolio. 12. Become a Tasker. Transcribing is an online platform where you can make money completing small jobs for people in your area that they need help with. It can be things like mounting a TV, helping someone move, or cleaning someone's kitchen. This is a great side hustle from home because there's no extra skills needed, so the barrier to entry is extremely low. You're not going to get rich with Transcribing, but it's an easy way to make cash for minimal work. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start earning some extra money. If this has whetted your appetite for earning money from home, check out our series of other videos we did earlier this year. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.